See if he'll wave at me here. No. Nothing. Just focused on work. Just out at the feedlot this afternoon, and they are hauling manure out of the corrals, stockpiling it over here, and haven't been out here for a while to check on them, so got my, maybe you can see it or not there, fun stuff. We used to use two like regular, like old kind of state dump trucks is what they were, snow plows and everything, but really weren't meant for this short haul business. So 3 years ago we rented our first haul truck, like a articulated dump truck. Oh, it was a game changer. So first year it was a Cat, last year it was a Volvo. Rented one for 2 months, so then this year we're like, why not rent two for 1 month and knock this out quicker? So far it's been pretty good. Ah, the flies are bad out here. They're doing about dang near Corral and a half a day. On the ones that were closer, it was about two Corrals a day. They from, actually this is halfway between the property and the thing, the road. So from right where we're at here to the very far corral is about a mile. So if you're doing the corrals closest to us, hey, you're only 1,000 feet. So obviously a lot shorter haul. So hey, well, I don't know what they're doing. They've been doing pretty quick turnarounds. I think about 6 minutes a piece. So one just left as I pulled in. So we'll wait for another one to show up here. Got plenty of batteries still. Oh yeah. I've never used my DSLR as a... Ah, here we go. They're probably like, what in the world is he doing? So let's flip around here. Like I said, never used my DSLR as a... I usually use my GoPro, but I'm about done with that thing. They're just so much faster. And he's not even getting after it. He's just like nonchalant, raising it up and letting it go. Usually, I mean, if you get after it, they're quick. So, they're 30 ton. I think we're two and a half 10-yard dump truck loads you can get in there. So 5 10-yard dump trucks or 2 of these, and these just hammer down. You don't gotta worry about tearing them up. They'll handle anything you throw at them. Oh, that's fine. That's Victor. That's Victor. He's a new guy. Well, not new. Well, new here. He's a relative to a lot of the other guys that work here already. I'll wait for Alex to show up. He'll give us a honk and he'll get after it. Alex has been with us for 94, I think. 1994. Big Bell stacking his expertise. That's Alex. He's been with us a while. He's a good guy. Yeah, just so quick. Told you he'd honk. Alright, let's go check out the loader. It's always, it's not a big job, but it's a fair amount of work, you know, cleaning out all the corrals and spinner right there. Lots of it. But, you know, cleaning everything out and free fertilizer. Just gotta get it on the field. So, yeah. It's road needs a little attention. Let's see if we can find the, let's see where they're at here. Okay, they're coming from down there. Oh yeah, easy. We got this. Oh yeah, you can see they're getting after it out here. Time we get this lot done and the other one, oh man, we should have those things back before our 1 month is up. 821F case loader. Oh yeah, doesn't even know I'm here. In the past, we used a 621F, had about a 2.5 yard bucket on it. It got the job done, but with the 2 trucks this year, we already had the loader, so usually it's loading the manure spreader at the field. So we said, you know, why don't we switch them, put the smaller one at the field, put this one here, get this done a lot quicker. So they've said it's they're doing pretty nice having the bigger bucket. I will say this about these guys. What's the right word? Smooth. How's that? Not in a big hurry, but getting stuff done. But not tearing it up, you know? Not slamming it back and forth, just taking it easy, getting it done. Because he knows if he breaks that loader, he's got to get the old one. I mean, you know, not, you know, getting after, but not ramming it into the pile super hard, you know. Yeah. Good operators. Okay. See if he'll wave at me here. No. Nothing. Just focused on work. Tight. I don't got time for this. Out of my way. Oh, there he goes. He saw me. Yeah, he's like, hey, what's up? Oh, he's doing his hair. Alright. Let's make my way back to the shop. Zoom in on him here. There we go. Okay. Oh. You ever walk through a thing in gnats? Ugh. It's horrible. So, you guys started here. my way. So you saw how wide it was earlier. Almost to the end of it here. There we go. There. A lot of manure.